Hi guys, this is Dr. xQc, okay? Today it seems like the chat's average IQ is about between 60 and 84, right? It seems like most of the chat does not know how to either build a PC, one, or two, how airflow functions. So today, without further ado, I'll tell you how the fuck it works before I lose my fucking brain. Let's see it. Here, alright? Oh my god, I just said a bunch of fucking... Okay. Okay, ready? So here I have my PC, right? What is the goal of airflow in a PC? It is to keep the computer cool. Wow. What are the pieces that normally overheat in a normal personal computer? It is the CPU. The CPU cooling must be prioritized in order to keep your computer healthy. Fantastic, we're all together. Now, in my hand, I have cool air, okay? Cool air, hot air. Ready? See those two? All right. I am currently using the method that is the correct method is to pull air that is cool, right? And it goes, it is cool, right? It goes into the radiator that is right here, right? The radiator will then be cooled. Fantastic, we're all together still. The liquid inside the pipes are going to the radiator that is now cooled. The liquid, which is still cold, goes through and then it will cool down our CPU in the middle right here, right? By averaging the two temperatures. Fantastic, we're still together, boys? Cool. Now our CPU has been cooled, but oh, while this happened, we pulled it through, right? Now the air is a little bit hot. Holy shit, man. Where's my hot hair? The hair now that is inside has done its job, right? It has cooled this, but now has become hot. Oh no, what the fuck is happening, dude? Right? It is hot. What shall we do? 2 fans or 3 fans for optimal cooling are in front. And what do? They push. They get the air that is currently hot and they get it out of the case, right? And they go like this, cold, hot, out, right? Fantastic. A fan is either pulling or pushing, right? Right now it is sucking this side and it is pushing into the other side. Cool, man. Now, what you guys are saying is that I should have instead, just so everybody on one page, the chat's idea, the 5-head, the graduate of international temperature management minister in chat has told me instead to pull the cool air outside the case. Wang! Right? And when it goes inside the case, it is now right here, right? The air is sort of cool. And then now it's getting hot because the computer is running hot, right? The computer is overall hot. The motherboard has a certain temperature. The GPU, the whatever. The computer inside it is sort of hot. Inside, you have to, the hottest place is inside, right? Now the air is in, wang, it didn't really do much, but it's right here. Now it's not cold, now it's hot. Now it's getting hot, right? And now you guys are saying to suck the air with this, suck it inside and pull it out. What does that leave us with? Compute it. The air that is hot now because of the fucking case, right, is entering the radiator above. And now we're feeding hot temperature in the pipes. And the pipes are going to feed the hot water to the CPU, making the CPU probably even hotter than it is already. And then it pushes it out. Fantastic, dude. We have have a cool motherboard. Bog! Our motherboard is cool. That's cool, man. Our SSD is not dying because it's cool. Holy shit! Yo! Dude, my motherboard is not melting. That's fucking crazy, dude. Right? And then it goes above to the most hot place in your computer, or if you're using AMD, the hottest place on earth, which is your CPU, and you're feeding it some hot piece of shit air. What is wrong with you? I did. Thanks for listening to the weekly xQc Tech Tips. Much love. See you later.